Hey there, new investors! Buying XRP can be simple and secure if you know the right steps. So let's dive in. First up, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Some of the top picks are Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Make sure the platform you select complies with your local regulations and has strong security features like two-factor authentication or 2FA. This will keep your account protected. After choosing your exchange, sign up and complete any necessary identity verification. This might take a bit of time, but it's crucial for security. Once you're verified, deposit funds using your preferred method, whether that's a bank transfer or a credit card. Now, you're ready to buy your XRP. Navigate to the XRP market on your chosen platform. You can place a buy order at the current market price or set a preferred price using a limit order. This gives you some control over the price you pay. Once your order is complete and you've got your XRP, the next step is super important. Transfer your XRP to a secure private wallet. I highly recommend using a hardware wallet for added security. Leaving your funds on the exchange can expose you to risks, so it's safer to move them to a private wallet. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be buying XRP safely and easily. Happy investing, and stay secure out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.